My video guide is about getting rid of the ransomware called FHKF. FHKF is a new ransomware that is the part of the DJVU ransomware family. The ransomware encrypts the files and doesn't let people open them. Also, it adds the special FHKF extension to the file after it encrypts a specific file. Before the ransomware attack, of course, people can open their files without any problems. They can open pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other information easily. But the point is that because of certain vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware, FHKF, may be injected into the system, and pretty soon you realize that you cannot open your files anymore. The files get encrypted, and this special FHKF extension is added to the data. People then notice that they simply cannot access their files anymore. The ransomware tells the victims to pay the special ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom doesn't guarantee that the files would be recovered. So we strongly urge you not to pay the ransom. What you could do is to check the task manager of your computer, look for suspicious processes with long random names, and you may right-click on them and end their task in order to stop the further file encryption, at least to save some of the files from being damaged by this ransomware. We also recommend you to immediately scan your computer with the reliable antivirus software. We suggest you to do that with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the official page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Download it using this green download button. Install the application and start researching and investigating your computer. Combo Cleaner works very well at detecting the majority of ransomware type threats. Initially, the program, however, is in the trial mode, but it has got certain free features that will help you to optimize the performance of your Windows computer. First of all, the program will update its anti-malware database for proper malware detection, and the update procedure might take several minutes depending on the speed of your internet connection. So after the anti-malware database is successfully updated, Combo Cleaner will begin scanning and investigating your system. Then it will give you the summary of all the threats that were found during the scanning. Combo Cleaner, as I said, is initially in the trial mode, but it has got the excellent features in its premium version, such as anti-ransomware. This feature lets you add one or several folders that will be duly protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks in the future. So you just need to wait until the scanning is over. Then the program will give you the summary of all threats found during the scan. So after the scanning is completed, you will see the total information about all the threats that were found during the scanning. You'll be able to know the exact location of each specific threat, so you may remove it manually or consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically and have your system protected in the future.